Hello, welcome to everyone in this video. This is lecture number 2 on the series chapter wise solution of GATE physics. Mathematical methods are running 2025 question we will discuss in this video. This is the syllabus of mathematical physics GATE. This question says consider the function f of z equal to 1 by z square z minus 2 whole cube is a complex variable z. The residue of this function at z equals to 0 and z equals to 2 respectively. So if you consider this is a singularity at z equal to 0 order 2 and z equal to 2 order of 3. So the residue at z equals to a of the order m is the formula, that is 1 by m minus 1 factorial limit z tends to a d m minus 1 dz m minus 1 z minus f of z. For z equal to 0 where order is 2, so if you just put this value m equals to 2 here, and this one will give minus 3 by 16, and for z equals to 2, so order is 3, so put this value and taking the double derivative we get 3 by 16. So option C is the correct answer of this question. Next question says consider this integral 1 by 2 pi r, in this one z is a complex variable, a and b is positive real number. The interior is taken over a unit circle with center or origin. Which of the following option is correct? So the pole of this integral at z1 equals to a by b and z2 equals to b by a, and their product will be 1. So by Cauchy's theorem, the I will be residue f of z at the pole inside this. So in case if a less than b, so z1 is inside and z2 is outside. So for this inside, residue will be this one, and in case of a greater than b, this z1 outside, z2 inside, the residue will be this one. So when a less than b, that is this one, you just put this value here, you can see this is 5 by 8, which satisfy. For this one, you just get 10 by 27, this is not satisfy. For a greater than b, for case 2, put this expression here, and this will be 5 by 8, which satisfy here, and this is not satisfied. So option A and C will be the answer of this question. I think clear about the solution of this question. If there is any doubt, you must comment. This is all about me. This is my contact details and this is my YouTube channel. So take care. We'll meet to the next video as soon as possible. Thank you.